arrows there, Sachan.
If there is a way to go to the left.
It's one
Because
way.
all one way,
It's there also.
but not our way. Let us hope. One way left.
Wala tayong pakaliwa sa dulo.
Diba? Yan yung mini store.
Nila Costa.
Tama na tayo guys. Mamaya pa yung check-in. One Pacific Hotel. Very good. Sorry. Wow. You love to sit down there, boss.
Oh, automatic television.
Yes. Mirror.
Yeah, even balcony.
Our valise. Wow. Small kitchen.
Yeah, but keep this door locked for your safety. Ah, that you don't. Okay.
At least there is small sala. This is the bed. Television again. Putin is here and Trump. Sa One Pacific Hotel ito, guys. Ayan o. Very good. There are two toilets. This one and the other one outside.
Oh,
Very good. Very, very good. Toilet also here. Ah, it's only 2 doors. Only one toilet. With bathtub. Hello, Sicha. Hello. Sicha.
no slippers. Are the towels?
Hello.
Are the towels there?
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, there at the top.
Ah, here.
Yeah, but only slippers like that.
It's okay.
Only one.
I don't need that.
Towel. What's that? Ah,
2 rooms. Ay, 2 doors. Just arrived. Yes, makaluto pa tayo. Makaheat. May kettle pa. Ref, lagyan natin yan dyan ng ating dala-dala na Coca-Cola. Pancake, di mawawala. That's all, guys. Girl Scout ang inyong lola. Pag-arrange karating lang. Pwede tayong lumabas dito. Meron silang door. Tapos, ito yung parang
right.
balcony nila. So, mirrors din sila. May aircon din dito. Ganda. Ito yung locker. May safety box pa sila dito. Ito naman, ay sorry, flashlight. If in case ma-brown out. Arrange tayo ng ating clothes later after we will go out for eating. Ganda. He's ready for the television. Cute, no? Small kitchen. Ating valise. We will be ready. Let's eat, guys. Nagutom sa travel. Ciao. Salamat. Wala, guys. Try natin to kasi grapefruit daw to eh. Di mabasa. Chinese kasi hindi tayo marunong dyan.
Chinese Bill.
Ito ay yogurt daw to. We try and try. Ayan. Katatapos lang natin kumain. Pag nagutom later, meron tayong bread cake. Meron din tayong pancake. Dun sa ref. So, salamat! Dinisinfect nila yan. Ang ating Bible. Every time we go out, every time we go somewhere, dinadala natin yun. Lagay natin dito. Sa labas, guys. Napakainit. Malapit na maging gabi. Ito yung side natin, guys. Pag nasa loob ka, parang gabi na. Hindi pa pala. Gabi na dito. Hindi naman traffic sa baba. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Antok ang Lola. Ganun talaga pag hindi mo bed, hirap kang makatulog. Kaya ito na ready slowly sa ating embassy. Antok talaga, sorry. Zombie today. Look, I saw keeping ready with the open shoes. Very good, Sucha. While watching television. Zombie today.
It's not the big those things. Fighting.
Yeah. Yan. Ano na naman tayo dito sa ating yan, pack in na naman, pack in, pack out para pag labas natin. Ready na. Diba? Haggard talaga yun. Sorry talaga. Parating ang natin guys sa embassy. Waiting kasi 9 pa magbukas. Yun yung receiving area. Ayan, naka-register na tayo. Antok talaga yung lola. Kami pa dito eh. Salamat. That bus? 073. Right to Chan.
He's helping you.
No. Ready na. Sucha. Sucha. Sleepy. Waiting for sasakyan. So going home today. After 1 month, Sucha, we will go back.
No? July. So you go by the Slacks or how is that calling there?
Skyway.
Skyway. 160 before?
Yeah.
I will give you 165. One piece for the kids. Or for the church.
Here, Kuya. Thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat, Lord. Walang traffic.
That's how y'all are.